Hello friends, welcome back to Nobita Creations. Today I am telling about midpoint, which is in algebra topic. Midpoint algebra. This is exam style question. Write down the coordinates of A and B. They given this graph and they pointed A and B here. Second question in first question B is asking, write down the coordinates of the midpoint of the line. They given question like this. Please pause your video and try to understand this question. Now they given A and B points here and they are asking in A question, write down the coordinates of A and B. So I am answering for A. A coordinates are, this is x-axis, so this is going to be 1 and this is y-axis 3. And B, this is x-axis 5, y-axis is 5. So A is equal to 1, 3, B equal to 5, 5. This is the way we need to show in exam and we will get 1 or 2 marks to show coordinates. Now moving on to next question, write down the coordinates of the midpoints of the line. So how to answer midpoint? Do you know the formula of midpoint? Yes, x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the formula of midpoint. So here if you see, this is x1 and this is x2, this is y1, this is y2. So 1 plus 5 by 2, m equal to, m means midpoint, and y1. What is y1? 3. 3 plus 5 by 2. So midpoint coordinates are 1 plus 5 equal to 6 by 2. 3 plus 5 equal to 8 by 2. So midpoint coordinates are 3 and 4. This is the way we answer this question. First we wrote coordinates of A and B and then we found midpoint with this formula. So this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. When we converted these values, we got midpoint coordinates are 3 and 4. This is the way we will solve this type of questions. Now we will see another type of exam style grade 4 questions. The midpoint of A and B is at 3.5 and 2.5. Work out the coordinates of B, but they given the coordinates of A. First read the question and understand what they are asking. So we don't know what are the B coordinates, but we know A coordinates, and as long as you get these values then it should be fine. So I predicted B coordinates are 5 and 0 and I converted in these values like x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. We already know a equal to 2, 5. And I converted them into there and I got midpoint which they given 3.5 and 2.5. Find the midpoint of A and B where A has coordinates of 2, 6 and B has coordinates of 2, 4. So we need to find the m. M equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Sorry. y1 plus y2 by 2. So m equal to, what is x1? We know A coordinates. This is x1 and B coordinates here. This is x2. This is y1. This is y2. So 2 plus 2 by 2. 6 plus 4 by 2. So 4 by 2, comma 10 by 2. So 2, 5. Midpoint coordinates are 2 and 5 here. Find the midpoint of A and B where A has coordinates of -3, -2 and B has coordinates of 7 and 5. So we know already this is x1, this is x2, this is y1, this is y2. So x1 plus x2, y1 plus y2. So -3 plus 7. So 4 by 2 and -2 plus 5. 3 by 2. So our answer is going to be 2, 1.5. So this is the way we will solve midpoint questions. If you see here, the midpoint of A and B are they given. A and B, they given midpoint and they given A coordinates, but they didn't give B coordinates. I predicted and I converted them into the formula and I got midpoint values. So this is the one of the way to find out. And here find the midpoint of A and B which has coordinates of A and B, but we need to find the AB midpoint. AB midpoint is 2 and 5 because I converted into the formula. First read the question. Next underline the key points. Third thing, remember to show step by step answer. Find the midpoint of A and B where A has coordinates of -3, -2, B has coordinates of 7 and 5, and we need to find AB midpoint. So this is the way we will solve midpoint questions. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching Novita Creations. Please subscribe, like, share, comment Novita Creations. Bye. I will see you soon with another video.